Okay, if you launch your game and the sound is gone for some odd reason, this might be a solution if you're using AMD, obviously. So you open your AMD software, you go to record and stream, then you go to settings, then you scroll down and you go to audio channels, and you make sure this is on stereo. For some reason, if it's on automatic, it just screws with your sound. And the other thing that you need to do is disable your push to talk. If you're not going to use that, you just want to record your game and your voice like normal, that could be another annoying setting as well. Yeah, that's it.